In this Content Gorilla AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to get 100% unique content that you can use on all of your different web pages to get 100% organic free traffic all in one cloud-based software. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on all the different OTOs in the sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to take a look at Content Gorilla AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. On this bonus page, you're going to find a ton of extra softwares and courses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, stop stressing over content. Finally, a real AI solution with authority. Generate content in the style of Tony Robbins or Neil Patel in just 59 seconds. So essentially what this software does is it allows you to take different content from YouTube videos and then automatically publish it onto your website. So you might be thinking, oh, that's stealing. I can't do that. Well, there's also an option inside. I'm going to show you that in a little bit, where you can take content from videos that have already given the rights for people to use them. It's called Creative Commons. It's allowed. They've said, here, guys, use my videos for however you want. And the reason why people do that a lot of times is because they can get more traffic on their videos and people will watch them a little bit more there. So they give away those rights for a little bit of extra views here. Now, with this software, you can go out there and you can be able to take, using artificial intelligence, you can have it take the content from the article and rewrite it for you. It has money phrasing in it, so you can hyperlink specific keywords, article outline generator. So it takes the gobbledygook that YouTube takes and it will actually format it into an actual article here. It has a content calendar, SEO scoring, flexible search options, deep search filters, quick convert so it can process it faster. It will correct grammar mistakes for you, auto punctuator, find and replace, automatically add in images, add in feature images, post tags, social content syndication. Has a ton of stuff packed into one software. Plus it has a social post image builder, internal linking, so you can get more link juice. You can download the content, multi-posting, bulk posts, so tons of stuff inside a very powerful software. Including they have training as well, where they're going to teach you exactly how to set up your websites, how to do WordPress. You will want to have a WordPress website with this because you want to publish it automatically. All these extra things included inside of this. Now, there's 2 licenses on the front end. One is going to be a slightly, well, it says lower, but it's monthly. And then the other one's going to be one time. Of course, which one do you want? You want the one time, right? That just makes sense. Unless you want to pay monthly, which I don't know why you'd want to do that. Okay, so that's the front end offer here. You can take a look at that on the sales page. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the backend area, the bundle OTO deal, and all the rest of the OTOs.
Hey there, Neil Napier here, and I want to thank you for joining our Gorilla Troop. You made a wise decision and I appreciate you. Before you go any further, take a few minutes to watch this special video. My goal today is to make sure that you can maximize the impact you create with Content Gorilla 2.0. Now that you have Content Gorilla 2.0, you're ready to automate your content creation and marketing. So how would you like to make your content creation and marketing 100% hands-free? How would you like to rank higher on Google with long-form authority content? Content that is published automatically to your social media channels with a single click. Let me introduce you to Content Gorilla Unlimited version. This upgrade has 3 additional massive features that enhance the value you get from Content Gorilla 2.0. Enriched with rank maximizing features, Content Gorilla 2.0 Unlimited version allows you to schedule and create long-form, high-authority content on unlimited websites. See, don't get me wrong, Content Gorilla 2.0 on its own is a pretty reliable and powerful tool, but these unlimited features that I'm about to show you will take it to an entirely new level. With Content Gorilla 2.0, you can create elegant content in a matter of minutes. If you have 10 to 15 websites, or if you're looking to build a private blog network with up to 100 different websites, you can do much more with this unlimited license with absolutely zero technical overwhelm. Content Gorilla 2.0 Unlimited comes with a built-in scheduler. With this, you can put your content creation on autopilot on all of your websites. We have built artificial intelligence into the app. This creates content for your website without your involvement. That's right, all you have to do is type in a couple of keywords that you need the content for, then our AI-powered scheduler works around the clock and parses human-generated content for you. Then there's more. Listen, you have seen many channels on YouTube that put out some quality content in your niche, and they do so regularly. Now, what if you could automatically convert all of their videos into blog posts on your blog or that of your clients? Also then socially syndicate it using the features within Content Gorilla 2.0. With this unlimited upgrade, you can finally put out good content that is congruent to your readers' needs. And you can do so without logging into Content Gorilla 2.0 or your website every single day. This is as set and forget as it can get. It's like you're hiring a full-time content writer and marketer to write for you around the clock without the price, the drama, or other headaches. Next, we have the tray feature available as part of this upgrade. With the tray feature, you can create long-form content, the kind of content that goes viral and ranks higher on search engines as well. According to our research, the average content ranking in the top 10 of Google, the length is between 2,000 to 12,000 words, and most shared content on social media is between 3,000 to 10,000 words. Can you see a pattern here? People love long-form content and Google rewards it with higher rankings. Writing long-form content manually is a pain and it can cost thousands of dollars if you're outsourcing it. When you use the tray feature within Content Gorilla 2.0 Unlimited, you can combine multiple videos to create a bigger post, the kind of post that gets search engines loving and ranking it quickly. Not only that, you can also create list-like articles which get crazy wild engagement and shares. The best part about this upgrade is that you can use Content Gorilla 2.0 Unlimited on an unlimited number of websites. This means you can quickly build a private blog network when you go unlimited today. On top of that, you will also get all of the new features we release going forward. See, we have a full roadmap laid out for the next 6 months of development. We have already offered this incentive to the customers from the last Content Gorilla upgrade batch, and this time we are offering it to you. Even though everyone gets the updates, only the unlimited users see the new features that we add. As you can see, the amount of value you'll be receiving when you go unlimited is worth a lot. With the unlimited features included, you can put your content creation on complete autopilot and outrank your competitors even before they find out what hit them. It's almost like a Ferrari for your website. Now let me ask you, how much would you be willing to pay annually for something like this? $497? $297? I think it's even a bargain at $197. Like I said, today isn't about me, it's about you. My goal is to let you in at a price that's not only super affordable, but also an absolute no-brainer. So for a very limited time, you can get Content Gorilla 2.0 Unlimited at a huge discount. So just hit the buy button below this video and get in at a price that we will never offer Content Gorilla 2.0 Unlimited at again. Remember, 100% money back guarantee covers your purchase today. So if for whatever reason you feel that the Unlimited 2.0 isn't serving you well, you can reach out to us and we will refund you the money that you have paid. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer at this exclusive price. Get your hands on Content Gorilla 2.0 Unlimited today. Automate your content creation and maximize your content marketing impact. This is Neil Napier and I'll see you on the other side.
Okay, now we're in the back-end area of the software. I just want to show you really quick here. This is like the basic layout of it. Now you can go in here and it's your business. It's up to you what you want to do. You can go in there and actually take content from all kinds of other videos out there if you want to. It's your business. Or if you're one of those people that wants to make sure you don't get in trouble, you can click on Creative Commons and you can search for something like Make Money Online. Let's just search for that here and do a quick search with the Creative Commons. And it's going to pull up videos that actually have given the rights to use them with Creative Commons. So no one's going to come after you and get mad at you for doing it. You can click on create post from that video. It's going to pull in all this different content for you, pulls in different images and whatnot. You can go in here and play around with it. You can spin the content, add images, add punctuation to it. You can download the content. You can have full control over what this looks like here. You can see it's organized it into a nice article here. Now, you can go in there and you can rewrite it if you want to. You can create paragraphs. You can do all these different things with it. It's up to you how deep you want to get into this. But you are getting content that is very, very unique that you can use and automatically publish onto your website. It has a bunch of other different tools here as well. Let me go through and show you these extra OTOs. Now, the first upgrade, and this is important, this is called a fast pass. What this is going to do is it's going to give you all the different OTOs all in one here. Let me bring that up here. It's actually this one. Here we go. Here's the fast pass. So what this is going to do, it's going to give you all the different upgrades and it's going to give you everything at a discounted price. So you get the unlimited version that's normally $397 per year. The AI done for you blogs, normally $97. The Content Gorilla AI agency, normally $197. Content University, normally $37. And then you can go out there, you can get all these different ones here for a one-time price with all these different bonuses. Let's see here. Oh, sorry, it's an annual price here. So it is an annual, but the other ones are annual as well. So this is an annual one, $397 annually. You can use the code FASTPASS for a $100 off discount on this. So you can grab this and not go through the sales funnel. Now, if you want to go through the sales funnel, you can. So the first one you would see, if you say no to that, you'll get offered the unlimited license here. With the unlimited license, this is just $397 on its own, right? And this is yearly. So you're going to pay for that, or you can get this one here. It's a little bit cheaper, but it's not going to have everything here. So you pay $397 just for that upgrade, that unlimited upgrade. Then you'd pay on top of that, you get the 12 profitable, 24 done for you blogs here. And that one would cost you $97 here. The next one would be, let's see here. This one would cost you $197. And then they've got a last one here that is, let's see, what's this one? $37. So it makes sense if you're going to get any of these upgrades, it makes sense to get the fast pass because you're going to get a ton of other ones here for a very low one-time, or sorry, I keep saying one time, it's an annual price. Unfortunately, it's annually. And the reason why they do that, by the way, and I'm not going to try to beat around the bush or try to hide the fact that it's annual, is because when you have an annual software, what happens is you don't have to worry about them like shutting it down. Like, I don't know if you've ever bought a software before and they just kind of take it away. This one is annual. They have an incentive to keep making it better and an incentive to keep it running. So it's actually a good thing here. So anyways, all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Content Gorilla AI and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, we've talked about it already. It's an annual pricing for that fast pass. So if you want to get these OTOs and you want to get these upgrades, you are going to end up paying yearly for them, but nothing you can do about it. What do I like about this? Like I mentioned before, you pay annual. They have an incentive to make sure the software keeps running. This is something that if anyone is looking to create content for your websites, you want content that's going to be unique, high quality, and it has a way of really auto-publishing and making it look really nice, then definitely check this. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Content Gorilla AI, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video.